Today I'm making a short video. I just updated my Windows 11 setup on this old HP Compaq 8200. You can see it's using an i5 2400. This like second generation i5. But anyways, this is more just an update about if the system still works, and so far it's working after installing the June update for 2022. Let's see if I go over here and type in Windows Update, and I can check my history settings, and you can see over here it installed the cumulative update for 2022-06, which is the June update. I'm able to browse the internet just fine. Wi-Fi is working still fine. So if I go to YouTube over here, let's see. I can look at this video over here and it's running just fine. So surfing is definitely great. No issues surfing the web. Let's see if I can open Office. So I'm using the web version of Office, unfortunately, because they don't sell Office 365. You have to use it as a, what do you call it, web app through OneDrive if you want to use it for free. But you can see that's working perfectly fine. I can play games off of Facebook. I forgot where's the game section, but anyways, everything seems to be running the way it was before after the update. So just want to give that update. The main thing that's broken on this for me is if I go into Teams, Microsoft Teams app, that's always been broken, and I'll get this DLL error. That's it. Otherwise, it's working pretty decently. So if you're concerned about installing Windows 11 on an outdated machine, having to update the registry, I would still be concerned. This isn't my main computer, and I just log into it a few times a month and see if I can update it and see if it still works or not. A lot of people are curious if it's still running after updates, and this old computer is still running so far. And there's something you wanted me to test. Hopefully I can test it for you, and I'll let you know. I'm running through this through a remote desktop session, so I don't have it hooked up to a keyboard and mouse right now. I'm just remoting into it, and it's working okay. So I'm actually testing this with Google Remote Desktop. Over and out. So June 2022 update, I'm still able to use my old unsupported PC. Have a good one.